First scenario, you call a friend because you want to show him your lights and everything you've done to your bike. You guys agreed to meet at a gas station. As you pull up, you park your bike, and then you go up to meet up with your friend. You guys shake hands, pat on the back, and then you get to it on showing him your lights. You show him the cool strips that you put on the top of your bike, multicolor. You tell him that it's controlled by a remote. He's checking it out, is liking what you did. You explain more to him on what you did, showing him different colors, showing him the headlights at the bottom. And then after talking a little bit about the lights, you guys start conversating about other things, just chit-chatting away. And then next thing you know, as you're just talking, you totally forget that you have your lights on. The next thing you know, they turn off by themselves, but you don't realize it because you're just so talking with each other that you kind of just forget. So as you guys are getting ready to leave, you guys fist pump, get ready to go, figure that you guys are going to go out for a ride. He gets on his bike, starts it, and then he gets going. You get on your bike, go ahead and you put your kickstand up, turn the key, notice that something's going on, you press the button and you notice that your bike doesn't want to start. You're like thinking, what's going on? You check around, you try to start it again, and still doesn't seem like it wants to turn on. So you think to yourself, oh great, what could it be now? So then you go out to check to see if you have the lights on, and you notice, damn it, I left the lights on. What the heck? Battery's dead. Now you go out to go see if you could find some help, to see if anyone could help you push your bike or get it started somehow. You see somebody, hey, there's no way you could help me push start if you know how to help me push start it. And what did it say? Sorry man, can't help you. Don't know how to do it.